Shoot him. A bunch of times. You've got more. There's some new guy. I got him. Oh, med kit. Oh, I'm running out. Oh, those med kits are off limits. Yeah, learn how to dance, man, dance! Not supposed to use med kit. Dude, I've hit for Doom like 100. Why is he dying? Why is it for Doom dead? I've hit him like 100 times. Oh! Zach, I hit you probably like 6 times, man. You should have died. Oh, their rounds are all around. Use for Doom as a shield. Go ahead. Oh, finally. Dude, I shot him like 8 times, bro.
Shit, motherfuckers.
How does it take 8 times to shoot you, man? Oh my god.
Hey, man.
8 fucking times.
Hey, I hit you at least like 12 and shit.
Yeah, I had Sack. I had to have shot you at least 6 times, man, and you didn't die. You got God mode on or something?
Medkits
No,
and shit,
come over
man.
here.
Come on. Or I'm
Come over here and dome.
Kill the friends
Come over here
right
and
now.
dome me.